Hello everyone. Welcome to the fourth video posted by Nerve Health and Repair channel. In this video we bring to you a list of foods that will help you improve the functioning of your nervous system. Number 1. Green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables are rich in vitamin B complex, vitamin C, vitamin E and magnesium, all of which are important for proper functioning of our nervous system. Number 2. Fish. People who are deficient in fatty acids may suffer from damage of the nerves. Fish has omega-3 fatty acid and thus helps in healing of the nerves and nervous system. Number 3. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are an excellent source of magnesium, copper, iron, and zinc. Apart from all this, pumpkin seeds contain powerful antioxidants that protect the body and brain from free radical damage. Number 4. Nuts. A study conducted in 2014 showed that nuts can improve cognition skills and even help prevent neurological disorder. Also, another study found that women who ate nuts regularly over the course of several years had a sharper memory, compared to those who didn't eat nuts at all. Number 5. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolates are full of flavonols which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant property. These properties help to lower the blood pressure and improve the blood flow to both brain and heart. Skip milk and white chocolates and go for a minimally processed dark chocolate with at least 70% of cocoa. This will ensure that you get its brain benefits. Thank you guys for watching our video. Want to know more about nervous system? Like, subscribe and share this video. You can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat.